I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Sign into your Google account, then go to the AdSense sign-up page and enter your website or channel URL. Once done, provide your contact details and select your country and account type. Make sure the name matches your bank records. You'll submit basic site info so Google can review. While you wait, add a clear navigation and original content pages to improve approval odds. Next, implement the technical middle steps and understand why each matters. Copy the AdSense code snippet and paste it into your site's head or install through a supported CMS plugin. This enables ad serving and verification. Then verify ownership using an HTML file, meta tag, or Google Search Console verification proves you control the property. Configure ad formats and auto ads for initial monetization, and set ad load and balance to protect user experience while maximizing. Finally, complete payment setup and finalize your account so you get paid. Enter bank details, confirm your address using the mailed PIN, and submit required tax info. Payments won't release until this is done. Make sure your content follows AdSense policies to avoid suspension. If ads don't appear, clear cache, test in incognito, verify the code placement, and remember indexing or review can take up to 48 hours. If problems persist, check the account alert panel for a specific remediation step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.